cat. So let's start by doing the head and the body. I'm going to look at here, not at the camera. Because I have to look at the thing, of course. So I know where I'm going because I need to make sure I make this perfect. Do you get it? Because cats say purr. Say purr. Say purr. Because I didn't get you. But my mom will know it. Because perfect. These are the whiskers. Next, we're going to do the eyes. Going to your eyes are going to be like a little. I don't know. It looks like it's bad. I'm going to do her necklace. Star, I'm not very good at stars. There we go. Next, I'm going to do the tail. That is her tail. This is going to be other things. So that's her. Next, I'm going to color her. I'm going to do I apologize. So I'm going to be making this color for it. Should I make it? Should I make it a rainbow cat? That would be funny. it this color. Little gray cat. Won't do horrible, right? Gray's kind of color for different people, I guess. But I don't, well, I don't really like gray. If you don't like gray, then you're on a match with me. So, if you don't know, but I am, this paper is kind of wet. Do you know that? It's kind of wet. It's so weird. I mean, my cat, he has like such a weird tongue, but their tongues are like, I'm gonna make this one this color. Aww. Cute, right? This needs a lot of coloring though. So I'm going to be, his ears are so cute. Her ears. Oh. There's half of mine. I bet yours looks a tiny, actually a lot better. I'm almost done. So there's my kitty. I'm also going to be doing some things at the background. I'm doing it. So if you are not following what I'm doing, that's totally. You don't have to make it the same. You can make the whiskers different. You can make them like this big or something. You can make the eyes like ginormous with a lot of eyeballs in there. It's different ways. Next, I'm going to do this color. Can I tell you something? People, these are the only primary colors. And primary means that with any color in the rainbow, you can't make these three colors. Like if you put orange and red, you don't make red, you make. But you can make yellow out of red and orange. You can make that color. Which is kind of confusing for me, but might not be confusing for you. Alright, there it is. I hope you enjoy this. Mom. I hope you enjoy this video. I will do another video with you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and please make this. Bye.